So, good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back in the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Mahua, Standard 8, Subject English, Unit 3, Points of View, Semester 2. So, dear students, now this is a revision session. We have fourth unit test next week onwards. In that, you can do chapter 2 and 3. In a unit 3, you don't do activity number 10 and 11, except all activity you do. In that meanings I will ask, okay, grammar like idioms and phrases, reported speech, then question tag that I will ask. Fill in the blanks I will ask from any line of the textbook, any point I will ask. Okay, question answer of one word, one line, question answer also you do. That will be asked from the textbook. Okay, now two activities are remaining. Activity number 10 and activity number 11. Now let us see first of all activity number 10. Notice that the poem The Blind Man and the Elephant by John Godfrey Sachs has the same structure as Chaos Prevails as Traffic Rules Go for a Toss by Jatin Singh. Remember that we use the word structure to talk about the sequence of idea. Here the structure word is used here. Structure means sequence. First, second, third. Like how the structure will be there in sentence. Subject, verb, object. Like that structure. Structure also describes how the main idea is connected to all other ideas. Main idea will be related with, correlated with, attached with other ideas in the story, articles or poem. Structure describes the way ideas are sequenced and connected to each other and to the whole. That is the structure. Structure will show the way ideas are sequenced. Ideas are given in sequence and which are connected with one to another thing and the whole ideas. Structure is the way that the parts of something are put together to make the whole. That is the structure. Is the way that the parts of something are put. Something we will put, some parts we will put for making complete, making whole. In writing, we talk about structure to describe the sequence of ideas and how those ideas are connected to each other and to the main idea. One point, second point, third point, like that some structure we will make, and after combining all structure we can make whole, one part we can make. Writers can use the same structure to express many different ideas. Many different ideas writer will make, and after joining these all ideas, writer will make one structure for expressing. Noticing the structure that sources use can help you organize your own idea, and this will help you to make your own idea. Think about the sequence of Jatin Singh's ideas. You can think what Jatin Singh has said about chaos of traffic rule. He put his main idea at the end of chaos prevails as traffic rules go for a toss, and use quotation showing other people's idea to express his main idea. He has given his main idea and other people explaining his main idea. Other people will explain his idea. Then The Blind Man and the Elephant by John Godfrey Sachs also put the main idea of the author at the end and use other people's idea which help to express author's main idea. He has given his main idea and then other person will write his idea as a source and he will express the author's main idea. Follow the same process you used in writing in summary of Singh article to write the summary of the Sachs poem. Now how summary we wrote about source, as a source we wrote about Jatin Singh. Now the same way we will write about Godfrey Sachs, the poem which he has written, The Blind Man and the Elephant. Remember that the summary it should be, source should be there, it should be neutral, reference of source should be given, it should tell the main ideas of the source and contain details that tell how the author expressed main idea. All the detailed ideas should be given. That I have given in the PDF. You can see new words also I have given. Then activity number 11, you have written a summary of a sing article and sex poem. Choose one of your summaries to share with your peer review group. You can see with your peer. Share your chosen summary and listen carefully to the summaries of several classmates. As you listen, mark part. Here on the peer view checklist, then use the checklist to suggest ways your classmate can improve your summary. That how we saw earlier. Likewise, that will be given. Okay, that will be about peer review and checklist. What the writer's name and about source, neutral reference, that will be mentioned. And then take some of their suggestions to improve your own writing. Remember, every writer knows that writing can always be improved. Whatever we write, that should be improved. Find at least one way to improve your summary. Make a change, then record your own. You can record what changes you have made and what you can improve, that you can see. Okay, then you can write, I improved my summary by changing this. Also I have given PDF, but that is not important, that is not so important. Okay, activity 11's PDF I will give, but that is not so important. Okay, so here we will stop, my dear students. This activity 10 and 11 are not going to ask in a unit test 4, but I will send PDF. You can see and you can complete. Okay, so here we will stop. All the best to all my dear students for 4th unit test. Thank you very much. Goodbye.